we are at Streets yet again. Brought the Z4 out. Hopefully we can find some time out there, but this track day is literally packed. So yeah, I'm gonna head out for my first session now.
The feelings going through. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. 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 Keep falling for you.
Sessions. After my first session, I wanted to work on dialing out some of the understeer. Wow, hang on. I wanted to work on dialing out some of the understeer that the Z4 has, kind of mid to exit of the corner. So we worked on suspension. Went out. It actually was worse. It started understeering more. So we're making an adjustment again. And hopefully this next session, I'll have less understeer, but we'll have to see. So I'll catch up with you guys after around the next one. and the Supra blew a tire. The Supra blew a tire, so we're throwing the Supra on the trailer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drive the Z4 home. But that is a wrap for today. I ended on a 131. That's my best time, so pretty solid. I'm pretty happy with that.